Omukoro gwetabirwemu Mama Janet Kata Museveni ba chairman ba NRM batari bamwe na bamwe n'abebembezi b'obukiiko obutari bumwe na bumwe.
You directed that this campaign in this season should be structure-led, and all our efforts will be headed by our party chairmen in their various districts. I need to thank you so much for what you're doing, and we pray that you continue with this spirit of coordination.
Richard Todong agambire President Museveni ngo bamwabebembezi tibachikuratira biragiro by'ekibina besimbire batine kibina.
We find flag bearers supporting independence against other flag bearers. We find senior party leaders sponsoring independence against flag bearers. We find there's a lot of miscoordination and internal fights. We pray that you as senior leaders at the districts, you find it prudent that you call for meetings that will be able to resolve some of these internal contradictions.
I want to assure Your Excellency that as SEC, we are going to work with you and the Secretariat and the rest of the party structures to make sure that the votes are mobilized as we move into the parish campaigns. We are very honored to have the team, the coordination team that's going to work with the Secretariat in the parish level.
President Museveni ashoborira bwenchi batori n'abebembezi b'ebyaro kubana babayebembera okusherura Akaruru kandi yajyangu n'emyanya nko butare za paka amakorero naho nhetenga barashirura obushagiki.
The villages are known, the workplaces are also known. The workplaces are the factories, mobilizers in each of those. If it is a factory, we must have people there mobilizing for us. If it's a hotel, you must have people there mobilizing for us. In the schools, there's my young girl called Helen Seku. She has got a list of the patriotic clubs which the Secretary should share with her, and you use that structure to reach the schools.
Museveni ahabwira obukiiko bwa NRM bw'ekyaro okusherura Akaruru mpaka hameruka.
We the bush people believe in prioritizing very strictly and doing the most important things using the limited money you have. But our civilian people, NRM people, they okumemerera is a Nyankore word meaning scattering, because they are interested in cheap popularity. So they take too many things, take something small here, take something small there, and they scatter themselves, will try to be everywhere, and they end up being nowhere.
President Museveni erizoba Akaruru yasiba na Karondo mu district ya Namayingo hamwe na Mayuge. Ndi Anita Tukunda.